In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song How Great Is Our God by Chris Tomlin with just you and an acoustic guitar. My name is Spencer Cormany from Leading Worship Well. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check it out right here. That's going to show you the arrangement that you're going to learn in this tutorial. Also, I'm going to be using a lot of advanced guitar chord shapes in this tutorial. I'll show you everything you need to know to play this song, but if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chord shapes, check out the link in the description below to the free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. Other than that, let's get into it. So here we are in the intro, key of G. We're going to be starting off playing a G like this. And then I'm also going to sneak my pinky finger up here to hit the 12th fret of the G string just to put some flavor in there and get a little harmonic in there. So it sounds like this. You just slip that harmonic in wherever you want. All right, so the intro sounds like that. Let's move into verse number 1. We're gonna stay up here and then use some chord shapes up in this position. The one thing I wanna show you is the C chord, where we're gonna play a C like this, essentially. Sorry, like that. 8, 9, 0, 8, but we're gonna be hammering on and pulling off from the 7th fret of the D string to the 9th fret of the D string. Just to give it a little movement. So keep that in mind as I play through. Altogether, the intro in verse number 1 sounds like this. The splendor of the King, passing chord here, clothed in majesty, let all the earth rejoice, all the earth rejoice. He wraps himself in light, darkness tries to hide, and trembles at his voice, trembles at his voice. How great. Into chorus number 1. Here we are in chorus number 1. We're going to be playing some bigger chords, but it's going to be quiet here. Nothing you can't handle. The chords will be right here as I play along. Sounds like this. How great is our God. Walk down, sing with me. How great is our God. And all will see how great is our God. Into verse number 2. Here we are in verse number 2. We're going to start quietly, essentially. There's still going to be some more energy here, and then we're going to hit this harmonic on the C like that, and then we're really going to start building it back up into another chorus. So pay attention to that as I play through. The chords will be right here. Sounds like this. This was the instrumental to the C. Verse 2. In age to age he stands, time is in his hands, beginning and the end, beginning and the end. The Godhead 3 in 1, Father, Spirit, and Son, the Lion and the Lamb, the Lion and the Lamb. How great. Into chorus number 2. Here we are in chorus number 2. Standard chords. Sounds like this. How great is our God. Sing with me. How great is our God. And all will see how great is our God. Build up on this big G chord into the bridge. You're the name above. Here we are in the bridge. As loud as we're going to get in this song, we're playing this huge G chord right here. And then we're going to walk down with the F sharp, so down to the 2nd fret of the E string. I don't have room to show that on the chord diagram because it's too much of a stretch, as you can tell from me stretching my fingers, but keep that in mind as we play through this. Altogether, the bridge sounds like this. This is building up into it. You're the name above all names, worthy of all praise, and my heart will sing how great is our God. Again. You're the name above all names, worthy of all praise, and my heart will sing how great is our God. Into the final chorus. How great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our God, and oh, we'll see how great is our God. Congratulations, you just learned how to lead the song How Great Is Our God by Chris Tomlin with just you and an acoustic guitar. If you liked some of the advanced guitar chords that you saw all throughout this tutorial, make sure to check out the link in the description below to the free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where you can learn even more of these advanced guitar chords to make you an advanced guitar player. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.